Hello everyone, today we are gonna solve design HasMap problem. So in this problem we have to implement our myHasMap class in which myHasMap initialize our object with an empty map. Put will insert an key value pair into our HasMap. Let's say this is our HasMap. So if I do put 2 comma 5, that means 2 is our key and 5 is our value. So it will insert it like this. And again if I do put 2 comma 10, then it will find the key 2 is present here, then it will update our 5 to 10. Okay, so this is written here. If it will be insert into there, if key is already there, then it will update to the corresponding value. Then we are having a get. So what it get will do, so if I ask get 2, that it will return 10. It will return the values associated with that key. Okay, again if I ask get 10, so there is no key which value has a 10, there is no key 10, so it will return -1. Okay, if key is not present, then it will return -1. So what is remove? So remove is very simple. We have to remove our key, the value key, we have to remove this key value pair. So if I write remove 2, then it will remove this. Okay, so these are the functions that we have to implement. So let's see how we are going to implement. But before moving to the solution of this video, I would encourage you to first watch out design headset problem, in which I have explained you how hash table is implemented, how hashing function, how do we write a hashing function, and every basic detail about the hashing and hash table. So first watch out that video, then jumps to this. So what will the first solution that comes to your mind when you watch this? So the first solution may be you can take one vector of size 10 to the power 6, because our value will be in the range of 1 to 10 to the power 6. Okay, so we will take one vector and we will use this indexes of vector, index as a key, and this element value as value. Okay, so let's say if I have to put 2 comma 5, so what I will do, for putting 2 comma 5, I will initialize all values first as -1, because so that I can check later it. So first of all, what I will do, I will write array 2 is 5. Okay, just simple. And if I have to put again 2 comma 10, I have to just update this. So I have write array to 10. It's very simple. It's O1 operation. If I have to get 1, get 2, so I will just return array 2. Okay, and if I have to remove it, so how I am gonna remove it? If I have to mark a remove 2, so I will mark it as negative number, let's say -1. Okay, and if I have to check if it is key is present or not, I will just check if our array element equals to -1. If it is -1, that means key is not present. If it is any number, that means key is present and that value is this. Okay, so this is a very simple question, a very simple solution, which is very time efficient. Time complexity will be of 1 for all operation, and space complexity will be 10 to the power 6 right now. But let's say if our values will be 10 to the power 9, or it will be 10 to the power 12 or more, so this solution will not work. Okay, so how we are gonna solve this problem? But right now also we have given that there are max 10 to the power 4 operation will be there. Okay, but that means if I take all put operation, not get, remove, anything, so at worst case there will be 10 to the power 4 element in the map, 10 to the power 4 element, but we are using 10 to the power 16 element, 10 to the power 6. So our 10 to the power 6 minus 10 to the power 4, space is wasted. That means 99 into 10 to the power 4. This much space storage is wasted. So how we can optimize this? How we can optimize this? So let's see the second solution, which will be our solution space optimized solution. So solution 2 will be using hashing. Using hashing. So what is hashing? Hashing is a simple process in which we generate some keys, okay, which lies in the range of our hash map. Okay, for example, right now we have an integer, okay, which we use in our earlier solution as indices. But let's say if our key is string, if key is string, then how we can use it, using how we can use this string as our indices in our hash map. So we have to write some of hash function to create these keys. Okay, so let's see. There are so many ways of creating hash function, so many optimized hashing function to get a minimum collision. So let's see how we are going to implement this. So let's have a dry run to understand how our solution works. This is our solution, which is somehow similar to our design headset problem. So if you haven't watched the solution of design headset, first watch out that video, then comes to this. So in what is the major difference between a headset and a hash map? So headset is used just to check if key is present or not. Okay, whereas our headset has map is used to storing key and value pair. Okay, so here we need a pair. So the only difference we have in headset and hash map is we are gonna use pair instead of int, and the rest solution is same. So let's have a dry run to understand this. So assume right now our map is empty, and we have to put 2 comma 5. So how we are gonna put is we will first take our key is 2, and we will take a modulo. This is our hashing function, key modulo bucket size. This is our hashing function. So we are taking any prime number, you can take any prime number. Okay, so that we have a minimum number of collision and our map is evenly distributed. That's why we are taking a prime number. So if I do put 2 comma 5, so what it's gonna do is, first of all, it will calculate its index, and index will be 2 modulo this will be 2. So this is our index. Then it will check if 2 is already present into there, but right now it's not present in this list. So there this list is empty. So at the end, what it will do, it will push back our list. In this list it will put 2. Okay, now let's again, if I am gonna put 2 comma 10, then what is the procedure? First of all, it will find its index, and after finding the index it will get this list. Okay, then it will iterate over this list. Let's say if we have a more element here, so it will iterate over this list and find the key which have a value 2. Okay, so how to find this? It will iterate all the values and check the first is our key. If first is key, then it will update the second to the value and return. Okay, if return is not there, then it will again push it here. Okay, so we do not have to do, so we have to return from here. So just it will find 2 is there, then it will update to 10. Now if I have to do get 2, then how it's gonna do is, first of all, it's have to find the index. How to find the index? Using this hashing function. It will check this list and then iterate over this list and check which key is, if key is present. If key is present, then it will return its second value, that is this is key, and pair first value is key and pair second value is our value. So it will return second value. Otherwise it will return -1 if key is not present. Simple. How to remove? Just find the index here, find the index, and then iterate over that list, and then if you find the key, then return, then remove it. How to remove it? Just I am using this function list remove val. You have to just remove it, and then, or if it is not there, then you have to do nothing. This is the solution of hash map problem. If you have any doubts, you can put it into the comment section, and you can check the source code and the article in the description. Thanks for watching.